So what's actually quite interesting is just down there, you may have seen it, is a few cars, and that's actually where I park my car, just because my house is literally just behind the cars over there. And every time I come to my car, on my way to work in the morning, or when I come back from work, I always see the jays in the trees, or in this woodland that I'm in right now, just on the ground getting acorns, because currently at this time of year they are looking for acorns or any type of food that they can collect and bring back and hide underground in little stashes, ready for the winter period when obviously there isn't much food availability. So what I'm going to do now, because I'm right here, and just down there you can see where the cars are. The tree closest to the cars, surprisingly, is where the jays seem to be hanging around. So what I'm going to do is just gradually move closer from this spot, and hopefully they won't realise I'm doing that. That's the plan. And if I can get a photo of a jay, I will be very happy, because the last time I got a photo of a jay was a year or 2 years ago now. So it will be a miracle if I can get a photo of one. So fingers crossed. And yeah, let's go do this. Alright, so I've just progressed my way around to the left, and I've walked closer up to the car park, and I have parked myself along the fence here. So these actually lead onto the back of people's gardens, and you can see the setup here. So I'm just trying to talk a bit quiet so that I don't spook any of the jays that are around. But I've seen a few flying all up around. That was a magpie. But yeah, there's a lot of squirrels here and a lot of jays here. It's officially started raining, and yeah, so we're getting squirrels, magpies, but the jays are almost impossible. Almost impossible. But I'm gonna sit in the rain and wait, and fingers crossed this jay will come back here. But I keep nearly getting it, but then not quite, you know. So it's just all about just continuing to keep alert, keep on watch, keep quiet, and just. I think the best option for me right now is just to stay put. It's also quite awkward because literally right where I am is obviously I'm looking onto a car park. So yeah, there's a car park just there, and then there's a path that runs down here, literally 10 metres away from me. So people keep walking past. And in fact, there's a person with their dog right now coming up by where the jays are coming, so yeah. But hey ho, these are the things you've got to do for wildlife photography. You may look like a bit of a creep in the woods with your big telephoto lens at the back of people's gardens, but you know, these are the things we do for the perfect photo. And it's alright, I can kind of speak up now because this person with their dog is getting in the car, which is where I'm hoping the jay is going to land, so that's going to set me back at least another half an hour. Until then, I'll try and get some squirrels, because there's a lot of squirrels around here. that was really cool. All the way down there at the end is a jay, which is too far away for me to actually photograph. And you may be able to hear the jay actually in the background, screeching at the moment. But also there's a load of little garden birds, all sort of hanging around the fence here. And yeah, so that was just really awesome. That was a great opportunity to get some photos of the little birds just on this fence. But yeah, it's just started to rain, so and I am still trying to get a photo of a jay. I've managed to capture it on video, just barely. But yeah, I've yet to get a good photo, or really any photo of a jay yet. So but I can hear it. It's here, and it knows I'm here. So that's a problem. We're going to need to fix that. But yeah, let's get looking. I've just seen a jay. There's a jay right here. There's a jay right here. Alright, so I've been laying down there for about an hour now, just taking photos of, well, obviously I was trying to get the jays and the magpies, but I just got whatever turned up really, and I think I actually got a photo of a jay, so fingers crossed we got that photo. But yeah, it started raining quite heavy. I'm absolutely soaked now. You can see my trousers, probably can't really tell. But yeah, my trousers are absolutely soaked and muddy now, from laying down on the pile of leaves over there for so long. But yeah, I think we got some really cool shots, so you've probably seen them all already by now. So thanks for watching, and oh yeah, also I'm going to be getting a new camera, fingers crossed. I'm still looking into it at the minute. I'm thinking M50, the Canon M50, or the new GoPro Hero 8 with all the mods, so I've still got a bit of research to do with that yet. I'm not entirely sure. By the way, yes, I was in the woods just there, and that's my car right here. So yeah, backing up, just changing my shoes, and my house is literally over there. Literally wildlife on my doorstep. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.